Hello students, good morning. Welcome to SA's online classes. Students, we were reading chapter 7 Introduction to WordPad of our Edunman Fun with Computers book. And students, in our last video, our topics were exercise A, B and C of the chapter 7 Introduction to WordPad. So students, including these topics, we have read and solved exercise A, answer the following questions. Exercise B, tick the correct option, and also exercise C, write T for true statement and A for false statement of the chapter 7 Introduction to WordPad in our fair computer notebook in our last class. And students, today we are going to continue this chapter 7 Introduction to WordPad in our today's class. And students, today's our topics are exercise D, E and F of the chapter 7 Introduction to WordPad. Okay, so students, today we shall read and solve exercise D, fill in the blanks with a suitable word from those given in the box, and exercise E, complete the following. And exercise F, words to remember of the chapter 7 Introduction to WordPad in our fair computer notebook in our today's class. Okay, so all students, please press partial attention in your class and listen to my words clearly, because today we are going to read and solve all these exercise D, E and F of the chapter 7 Introduction to WordPad in our fair computer notebook. Okay, let's see exercise D of the chapter 7 Introduction to WordPad. Students, your exercise D of the chapter 7 is fill in the blanks with a suitable word from those given in the box. Okay, students, your words given in this help box are save, WordPad and text. Okay, students, in this exercise D, our work is that we shall choose a correct word from the given help box and put that correct word in the given blank and complete sentence. Okay, so students, let's see first number sentence of this exercise D. Students, our first number sentence of this exercise D is when we click blank comma WordPad window appears, full stop. Okay, students, we have read that when we click WordPad window appears. Okay, so students, your second number given word WordPad is a correct word for this first number statement. Okay, so all students, take out this second number word WordPad from the given help box and write down WordPad in the given blank WORDPAD, and then your first number correct sentence become when we click WordPad comma WordPad window appears. Clear? Students, our second number sentence is the big white space to type the text is called blank area, full stop. Okay, students, we know that the big white space to type the text is called text area. Okay, so students, our third number given word text is a correct word. So all students, take out this word text from the given help box and you write down this word text in the given blank text text, and then your second number correct sentence become the big white space to type the text is called text area. Clear? Students, let's see third number sentence, which is last sentence of this exercise D. So look clearly. Students, our third number last sentence of this exercise D is we click blank option to save our file. Okay, students, we know that we click save option to save our file. Okay, so students, your first number word given in the help box, it's a correct word. Okay, so all students, take out this word save from the given help box and write down save, SAVE, save in the given blank, and then your correct third number sentence become we click save option to save our file. Clear? So students, we have read and solved all these sentences of this exercise D, and since I hope you must have understood this exercise D, you have no problem in any sentence in any word in this exercise D. Okay, so students, let's see exercise E, which is our second topic. Okay, students, your exercise E is complete the following. Okay, students, your first is steps to open WordPad. Okay, students, we shall complete all these steps to open WordPad. Okay, let's see first step, click a blank button. Students, we know that firstly we click the start button. Okay, so all students, write down here the start in the first number blank, the START start. Clear? Students, your second number step is click blank full stop. Students, we know that our second number step is click all programs, okay, to open WordPad. So all students, write down here all programs, ALL all PROGRAMS programs. Clear? Students, your third number step is click blank accessories. Students, we know that our third step to open WordPad is click on accessories. Okay, so all students, write down here O and on in this blank, and then our third number step become click on accessories. Clear? Students, our fourth last step to open WordPad is click blank full stop. Students, we know that our last fourth step to open WordPad is click on WordPad. Okay, so all students, write down here on WORDPAD WordPad. Clear? So students, we have completed all these steps to open WordPad. Students, so first number step is click the start button, and second number step is click all programs, and third number step is click on accessories, and last fourth number step is click on WordPad. Okay students, let's see second number steps to save WordPad. Clear? Students, let's see first number step. Students, our first number step is click blank button, full stop. Okay students, we know that our first step to save WordPad is click WordPad button. Okay, so all students write down here WordPad, WORDPAD in this blank, and students, then our first number step to save WordPad become click WordPad button. Clear? Students, our second number step is click blank option. Students, we know that our second number step to save WordPad is save. Okay, click save button. Clear? So all students write down here save, SAVE, save in this blank, and then our second number step become click save button. Click save option. Okay students, let's see third number step to save WordPad. Students, our third number step is type blank full stop. Okay students, we know that our third number step to save WordPad is type any name for your work in the file name box. Clear? So all students write down here any name, enemy name, for your your work, WRK work, in TTD, a file enemy name, and last box box. Clear? So students, we have completed this third number step to save our WordPad. Type any name for your work in the file name box. Clear? Students, your last fourth number step to save WordPad is click blank full stop. Students, we know that our last fourth number step to save WordPad is click save button. Okay, so all students write down here save button, SAVE, save, BUTTON button. Okay, and then your last fourth number step to save WordPad will be click save button. Clear? So students, we have read and solved and completed all these steps to open WordPad and steps to save WordPad in this exercise E. And since I hope you must have understood both steps. Okay, first step steps to open WordPad, and second step steps to save for WordPad in this exercise E. And I hope you have no problem in any step in this exercise E. Okay, now since we are going to read and solve exercise F of this chapter 7, which is our last exercise. Okay, since your last exercise F is words to remember. Okay, students, your first number word is application. Okay students, the meaning of application is a program designed to do a particular job. Clear? Students, our second number word is submenu, and the meaning of submenu is a list of choices that are shown in a particular menu. Clear? Students, our last third number word is command, and students, you know what the meaning of your last third number word command is? An instruction given to a computer. Clear? So students, we have read meaning of all these given words in this exercise F, and students, I hope you must have understood all these meanings of given words in this exercise F, and you have no problem in any meaning in this exercise F. Okay, so students, we have read and solved all these exercise D, E, and F of this chapter 7 introduction to WordPad in our Fire Computer notebook. And since I hope you must have understood all these exercise D, E, and F of this chapter 7, which we have read in our today's class, and I hope you have no problem in any exercise in this chapter 7. Now students, I am going to describe your classwork and homework, so all students please listen to my words clearly. Students, today's your classwork is that solve exercise D, E, and F of this chapter 7 introduction to WordPad in your Fire Computer notebook with your best handwriting, and send me your work here. It's our today's classwork. And students, today's your homework is that learn exercise D, E, and F of this chapter 7 introduction to WordPad from your Fire Computer notebook. It's our today's homework. Okay, so all students, firstly complete your classwork. Complete exercise D, E, and F of this chapter 7 introduction to WordPad in your Fire Computer notebook with your best handwriting, and send me your work here. Thank you.